Hari Om students. Today we are going to talk about looping structures. It is the most important feature in many programming languages, which is very useful for writing iteration logics. That is, when we want to execute the same statements in number of times, for that situation we use looping concepts. Okay, there are four kinds of looping structure in PHP. First one is for loop, for each loop, while loop, do while loop. The most comfortable loop is for loop. Each looping statement consists of three statements. One is initialization, another one is test counters, that is condition, another one is increment or decrement counter. Okay. First, the for loop contains these three statements within a single line. Syntax for loop is for initialization, semicolon, test counter, semicolon, increment counter or decrement counter. Within curly braces, the code to be executed. Executable statements are declared within curly braces. Init counter means to initialize the value. Test counter means to declare the condition in this place. Increment counter means to increase the loop of the value. Okay. Suppose here we use decrement counter, which is used to decrease the loop of the value. The structure is the for loop flowchart. The first one is syntax. The next flowchart is example for loop. Example for loop is first we declare the PHP syntax and then for within parenthesis I equal to 0 before the variable you should declare the dollar symbol. Show here dollar I equal to 0 and then test the condition, that is I less than or equal to 10, and then increment the value. Show here we use plus plus operator. Plus plus operator is a increment operator. Okay, and then print the number. The number is I, and then break statement is used. Break is to terminate the loop, we use break. Next looping structure is for each loop, which is like a array concept. In array, more than one values are stored within a single variable. Okay, the syntax for each loop is for each, for, and then space each. Okay, within parenthesis array variable as and value of the variable. Okay, and then as usual within curly braces executable statements. Example, here PHP student name equal to array of within parenthesis five elements are stored, that is Magellan, Inian, Nilani, Sibi, Shiny அப்படின்னா 5 values are stored in the student name array. Okay, and then using the for each loop, student name as keyword and then value. Okay, and then one by one இந்த வேல்யூவை எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணி உனக்கு print பண்ணும். Next looping statement is while loop. It is also a simple iteration logics. In for loop, we declare the three statements within a single line, that is initialization, condition and increment counter. But in while loop, first you should initialize the value and then using while keyword and then check the condition and then executable statements are executed and then updation is used. Okay, syntax for while loop is while within parenthesis condition, curly braces executable statements. For example, here PHP student count equal to 10 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க and then student number equal to 1 அப்படின்னு initialize பண்ணியிருக்கோம். And while student number less than or equal to student count, அது வரைக்கும் condition looping execute ஆகும். Student number equal to 1, student count equal to 10. இப்போ 1 less than or equal to 10 அப்படின்னு condition check பண்ணும். அப்போது கண்டிஷன் ஃபால்ஸ் ஆகிற வரைக்கும் உனக்கு எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். அப்போது 1 2 3 4 5 6 அப் டு 10 வரைக்கும் உனக்கு அவுட்புட் டிஸ்பிளே பண்ணும். சப்போஸ் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்பர் ++ன்னு இல்லாமல் ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்பர் ஈக்குவல் டு ஸ்டூடெண்ட் நம்பர் +2 அப்படின்னு கொடுத்தாங்கன்னா 1 + 2 1 3 5 7 அப்படின்னு உனக்கு அவுட்புட் டிஸ்பிளே ஆகும். ஓகே, நெக்ஸ்ட் லூப்பிங் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் இஸ் do while. வாட் இஸ் த டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் பிட்வீன் while அண்ட் do while அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னா, in while statement condition is true, the below statements are executed. But in do while statements, it's once it execute the statements and then check the condition. Okay, you see here the syntax is do within curly braces kulla executable statements and then using the keyword while and then put the condition. Okay, அப்போ once இந்த do within curly braces உள்ள executable statements once execute பண்ணிரும் and then the check the condition. But in while loop, check the condition and then execute the statements. Okay, this is the difference between do and while statement. Okay, example for do while is first initializing the value and then do keyword. Once இங்கே வந்து print statement கொடுத்துட்டாங்க, the student number is அப்படிங்கிறப்போ student numberல என்ன values are stored 1. Okay, so here print the output, the student number is 1 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டு and then increment பண்ணி and then the condition check பண்ணி result produce பண்ணும். Okay, these are all the most important concepts in looping structure. Okay, thank you students.